Hi guys, it's Sandy here, and today I have a video that's not like my usual haul videos. So some of you might know that I'm a huge anime fan, and naturally I love reading manga as well. One of the reasons why it's so difficult to collect manga in South Africa is because it's extremely expensive and it's really inaccessible. So if you're looking for specific things, you have to go online. But Bargain Books does stock manga, although it's very limited and it's very random. So this weekend is Black Friday weekend, and Bargain Books had some huge sales on just all of their books. Usually I order my manga from loot.co.za, but I said, you know what, let's just give Bargain Books a try. We have 3 Bargain Books stores in Port Elizabeth. Let's have a look at what I got. And if you're a manga fan, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow my socials. I do post some anime related content as well. Start with the most exciting, insane thing that I picked up at Bargain Books. I did not expect to find this. First up, I picked up not 1, not 2, but 3 volumes of the Full Metal Alchemist manga, and this is volumes 6, 7 and 8. This is the hardcover new print collector's edition. Price is 99 Rand, but because they had a 20% off in-store sale on everything, I actually ended up paying 79 Rand for this. The full price of this is actually 350 to 400 Rand. Come through, Bargain Books, come through. Like I said, hardcover, it's just gorgeous. Just look at this. Just look at this. We have this gorgeous, like, transparent page. We have glossy color pages. Oh, look at this. Oh my word, it's gorgeous. And then the actual pages are in black and white. It's thick glossy paper. The quality is gorgeous. So I found this volume 6 on the shelf. I picked it up and I went to the till, and when I was paying, I asked them would they be able to order in more for me at this price, which was 99 Rand. So they said the manga that they get is very random and irregular. They don't put in particular orders for particular volumes. Some Bargain Book stores do, and in those stores you will find the manga is really expensive. They never ordered this specifically. This just came in bulk with the other random manga they got, and it must have been clearance, and that's why they sold it for so cheap. But to finish my collection, I might just purchase from loot.co.za. And next up, I picked up volume 91 and 92 of One Piece, and this is the Wano arc. So it's very new volumes, and these were each priced at 69 Rand. Lamau. Or you can take 3 volumes of manga that's for 69 Rand for 150 Rand, which is a great deal. Just look at this till slip. Like, I ended up paying 55 Rand per volume instead of 69 Rand because there was a 20% off discount. The Wano arc is my favorite arc in One Piece, so I would actually go ahead and collect all the volumes of the Wano arc, not the whole entirety of One Piece. That would just be insane. Let's just have a look inside volume 91 in case you haven't seen what the One Piece art looks like. A lot of background details happening. This is what typical manga print is like. It's only the special editions that will have glossy pages. Next up, I picked something quite random, and it's the 2 omnibus editions of Skip Beat. Got volume 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 9. These usually retail for 200 to 250 Rand per omnibus edition, and these were 69 Rand, but because of the 20% discount, I got these for 55 Rand per book. There is an anime, just never actually watched the anime or read the manga, so I thought this would be fun to go into blindly. It's lots of hours of reading in all of these. It's about 600-700 pages in one binding. For those of you who don't know what Skip Beat is, let me just read what the back says quickly. Kyoto Mogami followed her true love, Sho, to Tokyo to support him while he made it big as an idol. But he's casting her out now that he's famous enough. Kyoto won't suffer in silence. She's going to get her sweet revenge by beating Sho in showbiz. So yeah, that's basically what the plot is centered around. Next I have this. Now, I didn't pick this up this weekend. I picked this up last weekend. This wasn't even in PE. I picked this up in Jeffreys Bay. This also was not on sale at all. I paid 250 Rand for this volume 1, 2 and 3 omnibus of Bleach. I don't plan to collect the whole entirety of Bleach. Bleach just has a special place in my heart because it was one of the first anime that I ever watched years ago. Again, it's just normal black and white. If you want to collect a series, try and look if there's an omnibus edition which combines multiple volumes into one binding. It's a lot cheaper than buying the individual volumes. And speaking of individual volumes, I did a thing. I started to start collecting a shoujo manga called Yona of the Dawn, or the Japanese name Akatsuki no Yona. It has a lot of volumes, and I kind of ended up buying all the volumes I found in store, which was 6 volumes. There is an anime out, and the anime covers volumes 1 to 8 of the manga. So what I'm doing is I'm watching the anime, and when the anime ends, I'm going to start reading where it ends. I'll probably fill in the gaps by ordering the individual volumes from loot.co.za. So this manga is about Princess Yona lives an ideal life as the only princess of her kingdom, doted on by her father, the king, and protected by her faithful god Hak. She cherishes the time spent with the man she loves, Suwon, but everything changes on her 16th birthday when tragedy strikes her family. 100% reading this for the intricate plot. Just so much of promising plot. The plot is just looking immaculate. Just a sneak peek of that plot. I'm as petty in my manga as I am with my K-dramas. Plot of this kind of reminds me of a K-drama, and I decided to pick up some volumes from a manga series called Ran and the Grey World. I just saw this on the shelves at Bargain Books and thought, you know what? This looks interesting, so let's read it. When I say this manga looked interesting, it's because when I flipped through it in store, it looked interesting. Okay. I honestly thought I'd be able to find volume 2 in one of their stores, but they didn't, so I might have to order that online. Volume 3 was 89 Rand, and then volume 1 was 99 Rand, so again, the price still not bad at all. Let's read what this actual plot is about though. Ran Uruma can't wait to grow up and become a sorceress like her mother, so with the help of a magical pair of sneakers, she transforms into an adult and sets off. Her father and older brother, Jin, try to keep her home safe, but Ran is determined to advance her powers and have adventures of her own. It just really seemed fun. Yeah, and that's all for my manga haul from Bargain Books. I do have 2 other volumes of manga that I didn't get from Bargain Books at all, but got online. And this is the Attack on Titan No Regrets. I got this as a birthday gift from Douglas, and then I ordered this from loot.co.za. This is acclaimed to be one of the best horror manga in existence. This is Uzumaki by Junji Ito. So yeah, I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more anime content from me, more content in general, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below. Don't forget to follow my socials, which will be linked down below in the description, and I will see you guys in the next video.